C-U-R-R-E-N-T current, C-U-R-R-A-N-T current. What's the difference between these two words? Well, let's see. C-U-R-R-E-N-T current refers to something happening or existing now. It can describe modern times, trends, or events. It also means flowing or moving, like an electric current. Examples: current events are shaping global politics. The current weather forecast predicts rain. The river's strong current makes it difficult to swim. Now, C-U-R-R-A-N-T current refers to a small, round fruit, typically black, red, or white, which is often used in baking, cooking, or desserts. Examples: currants are a key ingredient in scones. The salad features dried currants and nuts. To remember the difference, if discussing time, trends, or flow, use C-U-R-R-E-N-T current. If referring to the fruit, use C-U-R-R-A-N-T current.